I want to show you how to finish a thin chain that is far too fine for a jump ring and you don't solder. I go through that side and I wire wrap. Then on the other side, I do a figure 8. On the other side, I loop onto a soldered ring of the clasp. Or you can do a soldered ring plus the clasp later. And I'm going to show you how I do that. So on one side, I do a loop like this. And I slip the soldered ring through it. This. And I just wire wrap that, and I trim. Then the other side, I do another loop so that on the other side I just slip the chain in and do the same thing again so that it looks like a figure 8 or a bow tie, like this. I don't know if you can see it. And then I trim. So now it's closed and it's very secure, just as good as soldering.